Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a super simple 3 ingredient recipe. It's already been out there for a while, but I thought we'd try out the TikTok cloud bread. So let's go ahead and get started with it. So in a bowl, you want to go ahead and whisk up 3 egg whites, and you want to whisk them up until they are nice and frothy. And then after that, you want to add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and whisk that together. You want to whisk it together until right before it starts thickening, because before that, we want to go ahead and add some food coloring. So we went with sky blue, so we can get a nice blue cloud bread, just like a normal cloud. And just add a couple drops in there and mix it up. You can see that the color is changing to a little light blue, sky blue, just like a cloud. So once the meringue has formed, you'll see that there'll be stiff peaks. That's when you know you're ready to bake it. You want to go ahead and add it to a baking sheet. Go ahead and scoop it in and try to make a dome. The dome shape will help it cook and make it look more like bread. And you want to bake it for about 25 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After it's done baking, you'll see it looks like this. It does deflate a little bit once you let it sit, but it still retains its fluffy flavor. So let's go ahead and open that up. And seeing underneath, it is cooked, and you can see how fluffy it is inside. It has that blue color in there still. It looks gorgeous, and it tasted very good as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.